Hi everyone, welcome to Wallpaper Studio. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your desktop wallpaper on Windows. It's super easy, let's jump in. First, right-click anywhere on your desktop. From the menu, click on Personalize. This will open the Settings app. Make sure you're in the Background tab on the left sidebar. Now, under Background, you can select Picture, Solid Color, Slide, Show or Window Spotlight. This option lets you set a static image. You can use a built-in image or click Browse to choose a photo from your own files. Once you pick it, it will immediately appear as your desktop background. If you want something clean and simple, choose Solid Color. You can pick from preset colors, or click Custom Color to choose any shade you like. If you want your background to change automatically, select Slideshow. Click Browse and choose a folder with your favorite pictures. This is a dynamic option that shows stunning images from Microsoft's collection, like landscapes and cityscapes. Spotlight updates automatically with new images and sometimes even includes fun facts or links. And that's how you customize your Windows wallpaper, whether it's a photo, a solid color, a slideshow, or spotlight magic. You can really make your desktop feel like your own.
If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to Wallpaper Studio for more easy tech guides. Drop a comment if there's anything else you want to learn on Windows. Thanks for watching.